Welcome to SWOT Analysis. In this video, we'll explore a powerful framework that helps you evaluate your product's competitive position. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This simple yet effective tool is used by product managers, entrepreneurs, and business leaders worldwide to make informed strategic decisions. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to conduct a SWOT analysis for your own product. SWOT analysis breaks down into 4 key dimensions. Strengths are your internal competitive advantages, the things your product does better than competitors. Weaknesses are internal areas that need improvement, things holding you back. Opportunities are external favorable conditions in the market that you can capitalize on. And threats are external challenges and risks that could negatively impact your product. Together, these 4 elements give you a complete picture of your product's position. It's crucial to understand the difference between internal and external factors. Internal factors, which include strengths and weaknesses, are things your organization controls. These are team capabilities, resources, product features, quality, and brand reputation. External factors, which include opportunities and threats, are market conditions you cannot control. These include competitor actions, economic changes, regulatory shifts, and customer needs. Knowing which factors you can influence and which you cannot helps you develop better strategies. Strengths are what your product does exceptionally well. Ask yourself, what unique features does my product offer that competitors don't? What gives us a competitive advantage? Strengths can include unique features, strong brand loyalty and customer trust, operational excellence in cost or speed or quality, and experienced team members with specialized knowledge. Identifying your strengths helps you understand where to double down and what capabilities to leverage in your strategy. Weaknesses are gaps in your product or organization. These are the areas where you're not as strong as competitors or where you need improvement. Common weaknesses include limited budget or resources, missing product features or poor performance in certain areas, low brand awareness or weak reputation, and skill gaps or outdated processes within the team. Recognizing your weaknesses isn't about being negative. It's about understanding what you need to fix or improve to remain competitive. Opportunities are external conditions that could help your product grow and succeed. These are situations in the market that align with your strengths. Look for expanding customer segments or new geographic regions where you can sell. Stay alert to emerging trends and new technologies that could benefit your product. Consider strategic partnerships and collaborations that could expand your reach. Also watch for regulatory changes that might create favorable conditions for your industry. Opportunities require you to be proactive and forward-thinking. Threats are external risks and challenges that could harm your product's success. These are factors outside your control that you must monitor and prepare for. Competitive threats include new competitors entering your market or existing rivals becoming more aggressive. Market threats involve shifting customer preferences or declining demand. Economic threats include recessions, inflation, or supply chain disruptions. Regulatory and technology threats involve new laws that restrict your business or breakthrough innovations from competitors. Understanding threats helps you develop contingency plans. The SWOT Matrix helps you convert analysis into strategy. The SO strategies, or strength opportunity strategies, involve leveraging your strengths to seize opportunities in the market. SD strategies, or strength threat strategies, use your strengths to defend against external threats. WO strategies, or weakness opportunity strategies, focus on overcoming your weaknesses to capture market opportunities. And WT strategies, or weakness threat strategies, involve minimizing weaknesses while mitigating threats. This matrix transforms your SWOT analysis into actionable strategic directions for your product. Here's how to conduct a SWOT analysis for your product. First, gather your team and key stakeholders. Include people from different departments because diverse perspectives lead to more comprehensive insights. Second, research your market thoroughly. Analyze your competitors, study industry trends, and gather customer feedback. Third, brainstorm each quadrant with your team. Generate lists of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Be honest and thorough. Finally, develop action strategies based on your findings. Create specific plans to maximize opportunities, leverage strengths, address weaknesses, and manage threats. This systematic approach ensures your analysis leads to real business value. Let's recap the key takeaways. SWOT analysis is an honest assessment of your internal and external factors. It provides clarity on what you need to focus on. Use your SWOT insights to inform your strategy and major decisions. Don't treat this as a one-time exercise. Review your SWOT analysis regularly as markets evolve, competitors change, and new opportunities emerge. Most importantly, turn your analysis into actionable plans. Without action, SWOT is just a document. When used properly, SWOT analysis becomes a powerful tool for guiding your product towards success.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.